Hey, Rumi and Mira, did you hear that?
Oh no!
Look, in the trash bin, it's Derpy! He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we'll stitch you up, good as new. Oh, but there's gotta be something more we can do. Wow, Rumi sure got the magic touch, or wand. Now Derpy's got a little surprise for you. It's a school, just in case you want to leave show business. Do you think the teacher will be nice? A Saja boy? Oh, I want to see his credentials. Well, if he tries anything funny, we can take him. Unless he confiscates your stuff. But it's okay. We can always make new cool tools. Or wait until June. It's more fun to make a tinfoil wand instead. And he won't take it if he thinks it's just a pen. After all, a girl's got a right. Okay. Lunchtime. It's Mira's favorite. Extra spicy ramen. Uh-oh, lunch isn't until next period. Let's hope this stuff tastes better cold. Always fun to take photos of your friends. Especially when you've got a craft in mind. Take some pink, Mira's signature color. And draw her up a whole new hairstyle. But we're going for the full body look. Who says paper dolls don't have moves? Wow, this really puts a new spin on things. I think Mira likes her new mini-me.
Hey.
Passing notes in class? Not in his class. Oh, Rumi, haven't you heard of texting? Well, maybe Derpy can help you out. He might seem a little two-dimensional. But he's always here to help keep your secrets. Aw, a teeny tiny BFF note. You know what that means? A teeny tiny envelope. Quick, give it to Derpy. And hide it in your mouth. Try not to swallow. Here, Mira. Nothing to see here.
What?
She's just taking care of the class pet. Aw, Mira, you're Rumi's best friend forever. You know, the Saja boys have some redeeming qualities. But maybe we should keep that to ourselves. Let's just save a piece for later. No guess which Saja boy Rumi picked. And add some special ingredients, like glitter. Nothing can be truly bad when it comes with glitter. Including our brand new sticker. Make that stickers.
Aww. Hey.
Just don't forget to share the love. Looks like Mira's got a new gadget. Cool, a new phone. Make sure it's charged. Fully charged. Now for something really important. It's time to customize, complete with a Mira sticker. And what's the fun of a phone without games? Careful now, this round goes to the Saja boys. Looks like Rumi wants a new phone too. But don't get upset. Get crafting and make your own phone. It doesn't need charging, and it keeps your pencil sharp. Honestly, you can't get a better phone deal than this.
Ooh.
And cleanup couldn't be any easier.
Wow.
Careful, everyone can see your wallpaper. Rumi's got a case of Butterfingers today. Don't worry, Mira's got your back. Complete with a simple paper craft. With the right turns, you've got a brand new pencil case. Sussy here will help you hide it in plain sight. Always good to keep a few eyes out. Here, there's plenty of room for all of your pens.
Cool. Wow.
Did you study for the big math test? That answers that. I wonder if Mira's doing any better. Guess so.
Yay! Aw.
Can you help Rumi? It's too late for tutoring, but some tests let you use some special tech. So why don't we whip up a special calculator for Rumi? Just make sure you seal it up on top. And add the derpy seal of approval.
Wow.
Fill her up. After all, calculators need a little program.
What?
Time to take it on a test run. Great success! Only thing easier is if it wrote the answers for you. Careful, no gum in class. Probably shouldn't do that either. Seriously, we lose perfectly good rulers this way. Mira's got an idea that epaulets aren't just fashionable, they're great for hiding crafting supplies. And there's always room for glitter. Bend all you want, this ruler won't snap. Measure, draw a straight line, and sparkle while doing it. This totally deserves some stickers. Those nails are fierce, but a little too cool for school. Uh-oh, looks like you're getting a manicure. Well, at least you don't need to book in advance.
Hey.
Rumi knows what you need, boba, which is hiding our secret blind bag. And inside, a nail file. But will it help? Wow, new color too. Rumi deserves a big tip. But why not add a splash of color? How about purple?
Okay.
Just be patient. It takes a while for the color to show. Of course, it also pays to let your nails dry.
Yay!
Soon your nails will look as good as new. But there's always room for some stickers. There's room for all your favorite Huntrix members. And a few of those Saja boys too. Wow! Huntrix has sold out another show! Uh-oh, the Saja boys! The girls need to slay the competition! Oh no! It looks like we've lost Mira and Zoe! Heart eyes? Oh, that's not a good sign. Neither is that. Did someone turn the heat up? Sorry, that was corny. Need salt. Uh-oh, Rumi, I think your friends need you. Oh no! They've turned to the dark side. We need to make a potion to save them. Off to Spunky Land. Ooh, Pinky needs our help. Come on, pull. Pull harder. We're gonna need something stronger. It seems like we need to dig a little deeper. Remember, give a hoot and don't pollute. Or at the very least, clean up after yourselves. Wow, a rainbow fish! Want to have a bite? Yes, you really are what you eat. Careful, looks like there's some sea demons. Hurry, look for some treasures in the sand. Ooh, look at all these cool seashells. And how about a star for a star? Fish, that is. It's all what we need to fight back. Good thing, too. These are dangerous waters. Pinky needs a boost. Come on, Rumi, let down your hair. Wow, grapes! The first ingredient we need. Ooh, watch out for those falling plants. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. We just need some air. Up and away. Hey, look, it's our old pal Derpy. And it looks like he's found something. Behind that plant. There's a lot of fish around here. Did the aquarium have a sale? Still, Derpy wants a pink fish for lunch. Well, guess third time's the charm around here. So good, he'll have seconds. And thirds. Hope you enjoyed your meal. Now it's time for a tooth checkup. Show us those pearly whites. Ooh, some kitty needs to floss. Don't worry, we can help clean up those teeth. Uh-oh, it looks like that one tooth has got to go. And there's a fish bone stuck underneath. You're gonna need a replacement. Go gold or go home. Don't worry, she minored in metalwork. After all, even pop stars need a backup plan. Aw, Derpy, you're positively golden! Oh, hey, Oren, what's wrong? You look hungry. This vending machine could help, but we need cash. Looks like Rumi needs to sing for your supper. Great success! Let's hope we've got exact change. Now to try things out. What flavor should we pick? Mira's ramyun? Let's hope Oren likes things spicy. Well, at least you know it's crunchy. Let's try the one with your name on it. Rumi's flavor for the superstar in you. Ooh, wish we had some of that on Halloween. Okay, no more Mr. Nice Demon Hunter. Well, we're swimming in ramyun now. But something tells me we need a new plan. Why not try some ice cream instead? How about a nice big scoop of blueberry? There's room for a few extra scoops. It kind of looks like we're making a face. But we're gonna need to add some eyes. And a nice big chocolate sauce smile. Also, sprinkles. It's like glitter for ice cream. Kinda looks like Derpy, but not for long. Ooh, a bone? We could use it to make soup. Uh-oh, it's one of the Saja boys. Talk about their true colors. Well, looks like we're heading down the rabbit hole. He's a ghost, and not the friendly kind. It's raining rocks! Dance for your life, Rumi! He's coming down. What's he gonna do? I'm starting to think he's not very nice. We need a secret weapon. Aha! Slime! Now we can see where he's been. Next, a girl power. Make that powder. But he's still a little transparent. Deep down. Uh-oh! Our last life! Time to bring out the sword. Oh, guess it really is what's inside that counts. Especially if you're filled with jewels. Next up, Rumi and Jinu are having a dance battle. With this game, you've got to strike a pose. Don't worry, we can mold you into shape. After all, you Rumis have got to stick together. Because sometimes, you just gotta help yourself. Jinu's got the lead, but don't worry, this isn't a race. But heads up, the fourth position is a bit of a challenge. How are you with standing on your head? Uh-oh, Jinu's got a special trick up his sleeve. But you can't keep a good Rumi down. Actually, she's kind of stuck in a pretzel. But there's always the bonus game to save the day. Oh, this seems simple enough. Just slide everything into place. Don't get stressed. Just go with the flow. Rumi's won! And let's check out your prize. Flower. Maybe it's some kind of herb. And they say flying's the only way to travel. First they run out of peanuts, now the demons. But Rumi can't fight on an empty stomach. Good thing the snack cart is right here. Our special puzzle pieces will show what Rumi needs. Let's see, some gimbap, ramyun, some cake. Would you like some fries with that? Plus a hot dog and pizza, and a donut, and some K-pop fried chicken. Let's hope Rumi's worked up an appetite. We've got all your favorites, and then some. Do you need some spinach? Let's get demon hunting. It looks like we're starting things off with a simple card game. And it looks like Rumi's the winner. Now let's land this plane to safety. Do you have a map? Well, let's hope you're good at mazes. Nothing like a trip in the Great Big Blue. Aha! We made it! And we've got the last piece of the puzzle. Here comes the easy part. The antidote pretty much makes itself. Cheers, girls! You'll soon feel like your old selves. Looks like Huntrix is back and better than ever.